So I thought it was going to be way harder than it actually was. It was surprisingly easy, and also I did a lot with the Jumpstart prior to the training as well. So I kind of had some time to practice on my own and feel what it feels like to shift through the gears. But definitely I thought that there was going to be a steeper learning curve getting on an actual moving bike, but it was pretty easy. Within the class there was tons of different types of riders, both with their experience and the type of riding that they do, which I was really kind of surprised to see. I thought that most people would be new to riding and that everybody was kind of on the same level. So I think that if you have ever had an inkling to feel what it's like, you should go ahead and do it because it's such a fun experience. There's nothing like it, and I've done it and I'm going to do it again with my younger sister, and I'm really excited to get her in the family too.